In this video, Michelle Byington will go through the legal ramifications of what happens when you're carrying your gun in a place you shouldn't and then encounter an active shooter situation.
What do we do in the scenario where we are in one of those quote-unquote gun-free zones, or otherwise known as a soft target? Because we know that these active shooters, they go after these soft targets because at the end of the day, they're cowards. And so of course they're gonna go for the soft targets. What do you do in that scenario? Say that you are in the situation where you are in a gun-free zone. You are not allowed to lawfully have that weapon on you. Well, say that you throw run hide out the window and you decide, I'm gonna run to my truck, grab my gun, and run back in to save these people. Then what? Are you breaking the law? And the answer is absolutely yes. You are committing the crime of unlawfully carrying inside that premises. So many times we may be sitting at a 51% establishment, active shooter comes in, you run to your vehicle, grab your gun, come back in, and neutralize the threat. Are you criminally liable? And the answer is yes, you absolutely are. So what then? What happens then? Well, you're probably gonna get arrested. You're more likely than not gonna be charged with a crime. So at trial, what's our defense? What do I argue to that jury is your defense when you went and broke the law of unlawfully carrying? Well, the defense is one of necessity. And what the defense of necessity tells us is that, yeah, I did. You admit that you broke that law. I did it, my client did it, he broke the law of unlawfully carrying. But jury, think about what would have happened if he didn't break that law that day. And then it would be ultimately up to the jury to determine whether they buy that argument or not. So basically what it says, yeah, I broke the law, but I broke the law to avoid this greater harm, is what it is. And that's the defense of necessity.
From Columbine to Sandy Hook, from Virginia Tech to the Navy shipyards, from Orlando to San Bernardino, the phrase active shooter has become all too common. On behalf of Texas Law Shield and U.S. Law Shield, I hope that we've provided you some insight that can help you through one of these tragic situations. For more information on our active shooter series, or how to join the over 200,000 law-abiding gun owners that we protect, visit texaslawshield.com or uslawshield.com.